are you? How you doing? This is just a little clip from we were climbing that cool volcano in Costa Rica. Hope you have a good time enjoying it. Aesthetic being just constantly standing in the right places. I'm taking a vid, bro.
Yeah, you just go to somewhere, like, I think the young people are very, I don't know what's called, like open, right? You just start talking to them and then they talk to you. I know.
Oh my. So my dudes, that is the last of my Costa Rica footage. The next videos are going to be in Brazil, so we're going to head up to Rio, we're going to go to the Amazon. Such vibe. We literally stayed in hammocks, we had a pet monkey, we went caiman hunting every night. That's pretty sick. A few update videos on like what's going on in my life, because everyone's asking me that. What's going on with cabin crew, how's that going? So all that jazz. So hope that is exciting to you, and I hope you're having the jazziest week, jazziest month, jazziest year, jazziest life, and I will see you very soon with some more cool stuff. See you later.
I was just sitting alone on a table for 5 people and all the people like looking for spaces just looking at me. Oh, come on.